fucking wrench. Go fuck yourself. It's fucking
Watch your profanity.
impossible.
Ricky's salty. So here's the new knuckles for the S14 because there needs to be a new caliper bracket welded on here for the Brembos that he has.
Please come off, so be careful.
Oh, I see. Ooh.
Gktech.
Nice. And there's the other one. He soaked them in a Vaporust, what, last night?
A couple nights ago.
A couple nights ago. And now they're nice and minty, looking brand new.
Nice and not rusted.
Nice and not rusted. So we're going to try to press these bushings in.
Pressed them out with this tool.
Pressed them out with that. So hopefully they press back in with that.
Well, it has the instructions. So.
Not sponsored or anything, but these are pretty fire. Alright, we got the gloves on. Cough. Look to the left and cough. Look to the right and cough.
Those out.
Okay, yeah, take those out. Make sure you don't mix these up, though. Ooh, yeah. Damn, that's a lot. I keep forgetting this is for YouTube, and I always want to say some stupid shit.
Oh, yeah. This is what I didn't do the first time. The bolt was like 9,000 degrees.
And it snapped.
The bolt warped. It was grade 10.
Oh my god.
Okay.
You're doing great.
And then this one is this way this time.
Really? Oh, the cup goes the other way? Oh, to put in? Where's the in directions?
Bushing.
Install guide.
Line.
Okay, I see what you're saying. And then you draw it through?
So it says slowly tighten the bolt head, making adjustments to keep the bushing
Yes,
aligned.
you need to make sure it's perfect.
Tighten it until you feel a sharp increase in torque. The bushing will not be fully seated. Then remove the tool. Then you go back to the long bolt.
Oh, to draw it back. Yeah, I see.
I guess. I don't fucking know.
The bolt's the same size, it looks like.
No.
No?
This one's shorter. This is the shorter bolt. This is you start with the shorter bolt.
Okay, sure. Whatever you say. What?
I gotta grease the fucking hole.
Put some in here. Weak. It's the first time Ricky's ever used lube, so.
It's true. Shit's ready to go.
We got any lube? Like at this point, even olive oil would help me get that drawer unstuck.
That's good. We're gonna need a 3/4.
Impact?
I mean,
You should probably try to draw it through by hand.
we're about to find out.
With
Oh wait,
the-
there's a chamfered. I'm assuming.
See, that side you go in, yes. Exactly. That helps you align it.
Gotcha.
Yep. And then I guess once you start tightening it, you need to... Should we have put these in the freezer?
No.
It doesn't tell you to freeze them?
Nope.
Wow. That's crazy. What size is the head on that bolt? Nut bolt?
3/4. They're M12 bolts, but I don't know what the head is. I used fucking 3/4. It's the same as whatever this is.
What do you mean 3/4?
Standard.
Standard?
Yeah.
Oh. I was like, I have a 3/4 inch drive socket right here. What are you talking about? Ratchet.
Okay.
I'm not greasy. Get out of here. You want a towel?
You're
Use
gonna
this
be
towel.
if you touch that. What am I doing with this?
That's off the outside. There you go. Wipe your fucking hands. I feel like it's already misaligned.
I didn't grease the bearing. But let's see too. So once you feel like a crazy amount of... I feel like once it's this far in though, there's no more adjusting the alignment. Like...
this is the right bushing for this spot, right?
They're all the same.
Okay, good.
Switch to the longer bolt.
Yeah.
There. So, it's pretty big stuff already, but make it a bit more.
Never enough lube.
It's a cool tool. But it's only for 240s. Like,
Yeah, because it's like grooved.
I'll grease it.
Nah.
And it says no. You got it, right? Yeah, okay.
Oh, where's the washer?
Should be.
Oh, it was stuck. The washer just acts like a bearing, so it doesn't lock up.
Yeah, but like eats it. This tool's like you can do one car, and that's the end of the tool. What I found that helps is you can pull this out to it and spin it because it has to get into there eventually, and if it's too
Yeah.
tight, you need to. Yeah.
I see what you're saying. Get the impact!
The clearance cup must be flipped. Tighten the bolt slowly to seat the bushing. Use the sighting hole in the clearance cups and stop tightening once the bushing is fully seated.
I got the clearance thing right out of my face. God damn.
Yeah, ain't no fucking way.
Now let me switch over to a shallow.
You do this 6 times, by the way.
Bruh.
Yeah, that's why you pulled the impact out. I was like, nope.
God damn, she tight.
This particular one is what snaps the whole arm snaps off the knuckle when they use a hydraulic press.
Oh, because this is weak?
Yeah, it's like,
Fuck, that would suck.
I'm assuming fully seated means it's flush on both sides.
Let's like chill out for a minute.
The impact on level 3, bro. Whoa! It's like smoke coming off the bolt. Shit was, that shit.
Gotta let it cool.
It's overheating.
Yeah, the anvil is
See if you
overheating.
can do it by hand.
Probably.
Sure. Or turn it. If you want to turn it around, you can. So you have like right hand dominance.
I dominate all sides.
That's loose. Like an idiot. That's why I said turn it around. You fuck.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was standing on it while I was taking the bushings out. Got 10 teeth left on this ratchet.
God damn, alright, let's give that a rest. Holy
Check
shit.
that battery. It's like.
Oh yeah, the battery's toast anyway.
Got 2 bars.
2 bars. 2 bars. 2 guns. My hands are soaked. Fucking whale's vagina in there. Okay.
It's cool though. It's a cool tool.
It is a cool tool.
It's just a hydraulic press.
Hydraulic press would be way better.
Even a manual press would have been nice.
True.
They have the one that like hooks up to the vise and like you just like you hit that thing and it like it has an arm that unscrews and like pushes, but like
Yeah.
that's what this is.
If the vet wasn't here, I would have just put this in the vise. Like a towel. Alright, so we're slowly getting that guy in. Using the impact, level 2 now because 1 wasn't cutting it. Gotta charge the battery. And yeah. It's going. She going!
Look for the comments. Bro, you're not supposed to use an impact. It's good.
Yeah.
That's gonna be hot.
Yeah. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Oh, yeah.